Hello friends, today we're going to be making some veg lasagna, so let's get started. We have some lasagna sheets, some pizza sauce, but you could also use pasta sauce, a mix of cheese, some basil leaves, potatoes, bell peppers, carrots, onions and corn, along with our salt, grinded pepper, mixed herbs, ginger and garlic. So let's get started.
We're going to put some salt and oil in boiling water. Then we're going to put in our lasagna. Then we're going to take a heated pan and add oil, garlic, ginger and onion. Then we're going to saute it. Add potatoes. And carrots. Give it a good mix. And let your vegetables cook for a couple of minutes. Whilst our vegetables are cooking, make sure to check your lasagna is cooked and then drain it. Then put the lasagna on foil like this so it doesn't stick. Then once your potatoes and carrots are cooked, add corn and pepper. Mix well. Then we're going to add salt, mixed herbs, and grinded pepper. Then we're going to add our pizza or pasta sauce. I'm going to give it a good mix. Then add our basil leaves. Finally, we're going to arrange everything in an oven-proof container like this. Then we're going to put this in convection mode for 10 to 12 minutes in the microwave. Don't forget to garnish. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, and subscribe!